From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello, I'm student meteorologist Nick Johnson from the Penn State Campus Weather Service, and I'm going through your 7-day forecast for the State College and in general the Pennsylvania areas. So right now over top of Beaver Stadium, you can see we have some mostly cloudy skies across the sky here. And right now in State College, we have a temperature of 36 degrees with a feels like temperature of 25 degrees, dew point of 27 degrees, visibility of 10 miles, and winds are coming from the west at 17 miles per hour. So we're going to be seeing some pretty significant wind chill throughout the day today and into the evening. And then our weather headlines for this week, we saw officially 2.9 inches of snow yesterday, and then some spotty flurries are going to be continuing throughout the day today as we encounter the tail end of this storm system. And then our next storm system, we can expect that to be on Sunday, but it's going to be mostly rain and mixed precipitation across the state as we have some warm air coming in from the south over the next few days. And the temperatures and dew points across the central Pennsylvania here, we have our highest temperatures and dew points down in the southeastern portions of the state, and then our lowest in the northern and the western portions of the state. And then if we zoom out to see the entire Commonwealth, we can see that generally this trend will continue with actually a pretty decent gradient here with our with our lowest actually up here in Bradford County with 29 degrees and 22 degrees of dew point. And then for our future weather for the remainder of today into overnight into tomorrow, we can see mostly cloudy skies across the western portions of the state. And then in the eastern half of the state, we can see it's going to be a mix of clouds and then some clearing here down in the southeastern portion of the state. And then if we continue throughout the morning here, we can see we're actually going to see some clearing here in the center of the state here, and then also again in the southeastern portion of the state. And then throughout the morning into the early afternoon, we're going to be seeing those clouds really intensify, and then it's going to be mostly cloudy to overcast skies across Pennsylvania. And then throughout the afternoon here, we're going to be seeing that continue with a little bit of clearing here in eastern Pennsylvania. And then throughout the evening, we're going to be seeing that clearing again in southeastern Pennsylvania. And then finally, if we move into Saturday morning into the early afternoon on Saturday, we're seeing a lot of those clouds will actually be clearing out of the area, and it'll be pretty clear by the early afternoon on Saturday, with the exception being some partly cloudy skies across the very western portion of Pennsylvania. And then throughout the day on Saturday, because a lot of those clouds will be returning, but then by overnight into Sunday, a lot of those clouds will be leaving and partly cloudy across the state. And then then finally we're seeing this storm system come in from the southwest. But again, you can see it's going to be rain here and then a little bit of snow up in northwestern Pennsylvania. And that's just because of that warm air we have coming in from the south. It's going to be mostly rain here coming in from the west. For tonight in State College, we have a temperature of 26 degrees with lingering snow flurries. The winds are coming from the west at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And then for tomorrow, we have a high of 31 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, and then frigid wind chill associated with with those winds coming in from the west at 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusts of 20 plus miles per hour. So make sure you prepare for that. And then for our 7-day forecast, we have finally we have on Saturday we're going to be seeing a warm up with some overcast skies as those winds shift from westerly to southerly, and then on Sunday. High of 41 degrees with some rain showers throughout the day. And then on Monday, we're going to be seeing those showers taper off in the morning with a high of 39 degrees, again, mostly cloudy. Tuesday, we're going to be seeing rain first across the state and then some mixed precipitation, high of 37, and then a low of 31 into Wednesday. And then finally on Wednesday, we have a high of 42 degrees with all sorts of precipitation happening across the state with rain, snow, and then mixed precipitation, snow specifically in the northwest, and then mixed in the central, and then rain happening a lot in the southern and the southeast portions of the state. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Nick Johnson. Thanks for listening, and have a great rest of your day.